So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. You have applied the filter that you actually love. Maybe it made your lips look fuller like this one, or even your eyes look brighter as you see the difference. But here's the problem. It also changed your skin. Like the difference is too huge. So whatsoever smoothed your nose, blurred your hair, it actually did way more than actually change your lips. You want the enhancement in one spot. For example, we talked about lips here, so keep it that way. But not everywhere else. That's where the eraser tools come in. According to the official FaceApp log, the eraser tool lets you keep only the facial area you want to retain, so the rest of your photo stays untouched. It's the secret to layered, natural looking edits that don't look like you used an app at all. So you should think of it as a precision brush. You pinch over the areas you want to project, and the effect disappears from those spots. So in this guide, I will walk you through how to use the eraser tool for professional targeted editing. Let's get into it. So first and first, try to apply a filter or effect. Start by applying the filter you want to use. For example, let's say you want to use the kiss filter to add volume to your lips. Tap apply it to the whole photo. Then select the eraser tool. After applying the filter, look for the eraser tool, sometimes called the restore brush. It's usually located near the filter intensity slider. Basically, you will find it in the edition bar. Then paint over the areas you want to protect, adjust the brush size as needed, merge and continue editing. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video.